Gator, we're off to sick week. Let's go racing!
Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a short little update on my drag and drive build. I've got a dilemma here. I've got the body pretty well mocked up. Let me hold it with the other hand. Have a roll cage made for the inside. It's coming out pretty good. That extended cowl hood looks good. And there's the wing just mocked up on the body. But the dilemma I have is I originally got this HEMI Pro Stock engine that I was going to stick in it. And then I picked up this Pat Musey fuel injected big block Chevy. There's a picture of it there. What I'm wondering is, which one should I go with now? Should I keep it all Chevy, or should I put that big HEMI in it? If you can, leave me a comment and let me know which way you think I should go with it. I've already picked the colors out. It's going to be red with white stripes. And besides that, there's the wheels I'm probably going to put on it. They'll be the drive wheels when they're not on the track. And then I'll have a set of slicks that I'll mount on the trailer. All right, but that's just a quick update. If you can, let me know which way you think I should go. All right, have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.